All right, almost there, guys. So, second to last page. Once again, we do not have a table, so we make one. All right. Now, this is a similar situation. It's Alec again. So he's charging, okay, it's by the day, and he's going to be making money at a certain day number. All right. So on the first day, it says that he charges just a nickel. Ugh. That's robbery. On the next day, though, it starts to get better. Okay, he goes up to 20 cents. And it tells us that the amount is multiplying by. So, like, in this situation, maybe you didn't need to make a table, right? It's already telling you it's multiplying by 4. So, really, if you want to, you can keep filling this out. But technically, we already tell you enough that you know the pattern. It's timesing by 4. And you could have already gotten the start point of M1 equals 0.05. That's my starting point. Okay? And so, guys, we already have the recursive equation. The money at day 1 is equal to a nickel. And the current amount of money is going to equal the previous amount of money times 4. So if you went recursive, you should have something like that. In terms of explicit, it's the current equals the starting output times your pattern. And then once again, remember, because our table is not starting at an input of 0, we must get back to 0. So I'm going to say D minus 1 because I have to get back to 0. Now the next one, we have a table. All you have to do is figure out the pattern, once again, times 4. So, what is going on? Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties. The dot won't leave. Okay, starting point equals. All right, so the output at term 2, is 3. And then our pattern, there's like a spot on this that ClassKick did not like. Sorry about that. Times 4. So, again, we can pick and choose. I'm going to do both. So there's my recursive. And then explicit would be f of x equals the starting output times the pattern raised to the power of that input rule. And so in this case, because my term is 2, it's not at 0 like I like. It's going to be x minus 2 because I know that I must get back to 0.